Okay, folks, I'm still in Lewisburg. We just looked at this Beetle, and we drove here in that Ford. I don't know if you can see that, but I got Emily here, and she's got this 1969 VW bus, and this is hers, and she's owned it for how long? Have you owned this now?
I've had it since 2005.
2005.
My father got it for me when I was a teenager, and it used to be all white.
Right.
We actually painted it this blue, but it's been so long it needs a new paint job.
It looks like a factory color, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does. But I've got I just redid the whole interior. I did all the upholstery. I even made the panels that go down in the side.
Have a look at those panels. You can get in here. Try not to damage the motorcycle here.
There we go.
Oh man, look at that. That's good work, Emily.
Thank you.
What's the deal with the lights up here? Did you do all that?
Yeah, well, they're just up here on little magnetic hooks because
Okay.
I didn't want to scratch anything, so I got these little magnets up here.
They
And
work?
Yeah, they're battery powered, though the batteries might be dead. Let's
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at there, look at there.
It's 2 strings almost.
It's like 1969 all over again.
But yeah, I did these seats myself, which I reupholstered them when I was a teenager too, but
Check that out,
But
folks.
I've
She
already had to do them
reupholstered
again.
these seats herself.
yeah, it's just a faux snakeskin,
Yeah.
which we went for the,
See if I can get in here without hitting this bike.
yes.
Ooh, I'm too fat. Oh man.
But yeah, this is actually the,
There we go. I made it.
the Campmobile version. So this bench seat actually lays down into a bed.
Okay.
And there's a little mattress back there. And there's a
Unreal.
folding table that's supposed to go there. We haven't screwed it back
You know,
in
you got to
yet.
put a peace sign in here somewhere, you know?
Oh yeah, I've got a little peace symbol. It's usually hanging on my rear view.
Okay.
Which this is the rear view to the Beetle. It's sitting there.
Gotcha, right?
But if you see those blue taped panels on the wall over
Right,
there,
right.
that's how I put new panels in. I took painter's tape and I made door panels out of them so we'd have something to trace
Okay.
on the boards.
How about that, folks? I found a car girl. They're rare. Good Lord, they're rare.
Yeah, I did all the upholstery. I did all of the paneling. I did pretty much the interior was about 80% me, 20% him. He helped me screw in the panels. That was about it.
Okay, yeah. Gotta have a helping hand every now and then.
Yeah.
So does it run?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's got a new engine.
Really?
The engine was put in 2 years ago.
Step back here without
You can
stepping.
get it open, yeah.
I'm gonna let you do that. Let me see if you can get by me here.
Let's see here. Okay, I'll stand on this side of it.
There you go. Oh yeah.
There we go.
See that antique auto tag on there. All right, folks. A little dark in here. I don't know what you can see.
Hold on, I got a flashlight.
Oh yeah, Emily to the rescue. Look at her. Yeah, she's gonna pull out the flashlight on us. There we go. Look at there, folks. That engine looks nice.
Yep, had
Man.
a father-son team in Danville, Virginia rebuild the engine for me.
Really? It runs on down the road. What size engine is this now?
That I'm not sure. You're gonna have to ask Jordan for that one.
Okay, okay, probably 1.6 inch too, since it's a 69. I don't know that much about Volkswagens. I mean, back in the day, these things, you used to see these things daily,
Yeah,
you know? And,
but ever since I bought one, I see them now on the street more.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
ever since I've had this one, I guess I got an eye for them now.
yeah,
Just-
exactly, yeah.
you just see them everywhere because you look.
How about that? Thank you, Emily, for showing us that. I love these lights. Man, that's so cool. That is so cool.
Powered,
Wow. That is unreal.
yeah, I didn't want to wire them in just in case they run my
So,
battery.
so what's happening here with this?
Well, see, this isn't a Campmobile, so it's supposed to have a pop top on it.
Oh, did it?
And so
Okay.
that hole right there is where it would pop up and you could stand up in there and there was like a little tent.
Okay, I noticed it was cut out in here.
Yeah, so it's just a piece of sheet metal bolted on, but we do have the original pop top and I'm going to restore
Oh,
it.
yeah? Okay.
Yeah, we just don't have it here. It's at,
Gotcha.
it's at my grandfather's house.
Okay, cool. That'll be awesome.
But yeah,
As you get working on the car and stuff, or the bus, I mean, contact me. Let me know, and I'll come back and do another video.
Okay, great. Yeah, I plan on doing a lot more to it. We got it's mostly exterior work now that needs to be done. The
Right.
inside is just about done. I think
Oh,
I got
check
most
out
of
these
it.
wheels on this thing.
Yeah,
That is
the
unreal.
main reason we haven't started the pop top rebuild yet is because it won't fit in the garage once
Oh,
the
really?
pop top's on it. Yeah.
I got a motorcycle here, folks. That's as far as I can get as far as opening the door, but we kind of caught them by surprise here.
Yeah.
I'm bad about surprising people come up on there. There we go.
Yeah, I've had it. Like I said, my father and my brother and I restored it back in like 2006 and 7. But then the engine, we pulled the engine out and it sat under a tree for like
Did it
6
really?
years.
That's
Yeah.
not good for them.
Yeah, so that's why the outside's in such rough shape to have
Look at
just been
there.
redone.
Kiss Army.
Yep. It was covered in stickers, but I took them all off the glass.
Yeah. Oh, you got to put stickers back on, Emily. Come on.
Oh yeah, there's more stickers are going on. It's just these they'd curled up, you know. And
Oh,
like,
okay.
they were,
Yeah, they were
been
worn
sitting.
out.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, folks. I want to thank Emily for letting us video her prize.
Yeah, anytime. I'll
Man.
keep y'all updated.
Yeah, she's gonna keep us updated, and we're gonna end the video here. Now, please, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and comment and tell us what you think of this mini bus that Emily's working on. This is the first car girl we've had on the channel, so show her some love, folks. Okay.
Honored.
All right, y'all take care.